Yeah, I think when you look at any of or really the all of the large sell-offs and rebounds, frankly, in the post-World War II era, almost all of them have actually seen stocks be higher than they were 90 days after the low. So I think higher a year after that. So I mean, I think there's at least some good precedent that coming off the bottom, you have tended to see stocks higher. Now, I will offset that a bit by saying that typically, particularly when you get these very strong returns at the beginning, you will also see the pace of gains slow. Again, I think probably would surprise nobody that we probably should see the pace of gains slow. But I think that's another thing to keep in mind, that perhaps more choppiness as maybe the gains get a little harder to come by.
It seems as though we've gotten away from talking about V, W, L, U-shaped recoveries, but now it's coming back into question with the markets trying to hover at these levels. What's the outlook, and what does the data tell you?
So right now, I would argue it's a bit mixed in terms of, we definitely had a loss of momentum with the rise in coronavirus cases, but we've now booked 5 straight weeks of better week-over-week numbers on the infection data here in the U.S. Europe's struggling much worse with that. It takes some time for the data to kind of pick up again, for that to show up. I think you are going to see some better, and we saw some glimpses of it last week with the PMI data better. So I think we're going to pick up some momentum here. Obviously, there's pieces of the economy that are not doing well and will probably continue for a while in the travel world, but you're seeing it, pockets of strength in housing, et cetera, likely to continue.
Just a couple moments left here. What are your favorite sectors right now?
Yeah, I think to stay towards the cyclical, because again, I'm expecting things to get a bit better. So think about industrials, the banks, which have traded very well this week. And if you want to kind of barbell it with a little bit less risk, the utilities that obviously don't have much exposure to kind of what goes on in the economy.